Minister in charge of Power, Preston Tinsong, has ruled out any move to privatize the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, responding to a query on the recent protests staged by the Coordination Committee of Registered MECL Association and the unions against the Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 and to move to privatize the power sector. Tinsong will, while reserving his comment on the amendment bill, however, made it clear that privatization would take place only when employees themselves want to do that through the state government. Regarding appointment of technocrat as the managing director of MECL, he said that the process have been initiated.
You knew it well that we have a lot of liabilities, we have a lot of outstanding. I would like to only tell them that there won't be panic. State government also is involved, and privatization, as I said, you until unless the employees themselves wanted to do that. So through the state government, maybe we can do something. Otherwise, as I said to you, if you talk about this amendment, I think that is different issue altogether.